Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at this 160 scale Super Maneuver Armor Walker CAT-01 from Iron Wars. This cat ninja mecha have a cute design and I think it's suitable for children to play with. There are Chinese and English information on the box and you'll see some cool pictures. There are a total of 11 runners and one of the runner is in metal coating. And I'm surprised that most of the parts are actually undergate. It comes with metallic stickers, water decals, a scarf, and the white tail that is made with wire that can be formed in any shape. The instructions are easy to follow. There's a picture of the cockpit, but there isn't anything in the head. Let's just imagine there's one. Someone asked if I ever get burnt out building Gunpla. Of course I do, and that's why I'm also building a variety of things. This kit is so easy to build. The quality of the plastic are great and I do not have to glue anything. The fitting is perfect. This is definitely not a 160 scale, and it's between the size of HG and MG. I've noticed most of the third-party and China-made kits have confusing runner layout, and the numbers are so random. I've always have to look so long to look for the numbers. Let me know if it's just me or you also have this problem. Water decals really make it look so much better. The feeling of the kit is solid like a toy, and it comes with 2 swords and 6 kunai blades that can be connected to either 6 single blades, a 3 or 6 blades like they are holding them together. The claws can be folded out when in attack mode. I really like the scarf and it looked like they're flying in the air. Hope you liked my video today, and I know this kit is not for everyone, so thank you for watching till the end. Please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you next time.